The results are extremely natural, super versatile, and altogether it's fun. Hey everyone, my name is Ashley Lee, Bronx-based hairstylist and Mizani artist. I'm super excited to get into a microlinks transformation here at the salon. Microlinks is not a new service, but is something that is coming to the forefront of extension services. Mostly known for its blended, seamless look, microlinks have been around for a long time, but now with better extension quality, more texture matches, we're able to get more exact and more natural looking microlinks than ever before. So without further ado, let's get into the transformation and learn some more about microlinks. Today, we're getting into a microlink installation. Our model's hair is in its natural state, which is tightly curled with normal density. She's a perfect candidate for microlinks because with this method, all of the client's hair is left out. Microlinks is the perfect option for someone who has fine to normal density and is looking to add some length and volume. Our first step is using a clarifying shampoo. I clarify for my first and second shampoo and follow with a thermal shampoo like Press Agent by Mizani. Make sure to finger detangle throughout the entire shampoo session to avoid curls from unwanted knotting. After she's cleansed, I apply conditioner and comb through with a Tangle Teaser brush. This helps to smooth out the cuticle while preparing her hair for the blowout. Be sure to get through every section of her hair for best results. I sat her under the dryer with a processing cap for 15 minutes to deep condition, and then I rinsed and got her into the chair. To prep for the blowout, I always start by pre-drying. This removes excess water from the hair and allows product to thoroughly penetrate and yield all of its benefits. I normally prep with Mizani 25 Miracle Milk. Adding on thermal stylers like Heat Screen or the Press Agent Raincoat serum and cream are great ways to moisturize while protecting the hair from thermal damage. After she's all blown out, I start flat ironing from the nape. If the blowout is thorough, flat ironing should only take one pass to fully press. I begin by making one clean horizontal parting above the nape. Always use clean sectioning for control and efficacy. For this install, I'm using black microlink beads and the latch hook tool. I load up to about 6 beads onto the latch hook for each row. Once I'm ready, I take a section of hair into the hook, close the latch, and slide the bead up towards the root. After pulling the hair through, I'm able to clamp the bead down onto the hair and secure it. Once the beading is complete, pierce your weft with your needle and then pull the thread through. By placing your needle behind the link against the scalp and sewing with the bead as your base, this will bring the weft to the scalp. Make sure that it's mobile and not too tight on the scalp. This can cause discomfort and ultimately hair loss if tension is too high. Once the installation is complete, blow dry to stretch and smooth, then style as desired. Styling with the natural hair is important to encourage a fully blended style. The results are extremely natural, the styling is super versatile, and altogether it's fun.